So you want to ask for those main items that are material to the house, whether it's code or function or something like that. What you want to avoid is requesting repairs to cosmetic issues, or not even repairs, requesting changes to cosmetic issues, because chances are you might just insult the taste of the seller. And if you add things like that to your requests, then you're more likely to have them say no to the things that are material to the function of the house, because now they're upset with your request.
And we don't want something like switching out a bathroom fixture or knobs to be the straw that breaks the camel's back, because they could see a list of 4 or 5 things and get offended by the one thing that is their taste. So we want to use these reports as the third party that says this is what the inspector or the sewer scope person is asking for or said needs to be done. It's not just what we want to be done. And also too, that any other buyer down the road is going to be asking for these.